Hi everyone, I'm Kelly, and today we're unboxing the brand new Cricut Explore 5, a redesigned, more compact version of one of our most popular cutting machines. We're gonna open this thing up together, get it all set up, and since Explore 5 is all about making personalized projects easier than ever, I'll walk you through a great first project, a custom iron-on t-shirt, so you can see exactly how it works. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let's see what's in here. The Explore 5 comes in two colors. I have taupe today, but we've also got teal that's available at Michael's. Some of what's in here is going to vary depending on the bundle that you purchased with your machine. There are 6 different bundle configurations that will give you a different set of tools and materials. This really is one of my favorite things about the Explore 5. We've made it so easy to get started making right out of the box. I have the Essentials bundle today, so if you've gone with a different bundle, some things may look different for you. Here's our setup instructions, user guide, and warranty information. This box has a bunch of materials to make your first projects. That includes some insert cards to try out. We have smart vinyl, smart iron-on, cardstock. We have printable vinyl too, so we can do some full color designs. There's also some transfer tape to help you apply your vinyl designs. Below that are all of our tools. We have a dual-sided pen, a spatula, a weeder tool, a scraper, a scoring tool, so you can create perfect fold lines, and a ruler. We have a card mat, a trimmer, and here's the star of the show, the Cricut Explore 5. Something you'll notice right away is how compact this machine is. The Explore 5 is 30% smaller than previous models, but don't let that fool you. It still gives you the same 12-inch cutting performance you'd expect from a full-size machine. And it's so fast. And here's our machine mat. Let's do a quick tour of the machine before we get it set up. The Explore 5 may be more compact, but it's packed with capability. Up front, we have a simplified interface, the go button to start or pause your cut, and this button loads and unloads your mat and smart materials. Let's flip this down and you'll find the clamp preloaded with the premium fine point blade. And here is where you'll put Cricut pens and markers when you want to write or draw. The tray inside the bottom door is great for storing small tools or replacement blades. When it comes to project size, you can cut up to 12 by 24 inches with a machine mat, or go all the way up to 12 feet long with smart materials, which is incredible if you ever want to do large wall decals or batch projects. And of course, the Explore 5 supports print and cut, so you can create full color stickers, labels, and more using your home inkjet printer. This machine is truly designed to do a little bit of everything. All right, let's get this machine set up. Just like all Cricut machines, the Explore 5 connects through Design Space, our free app available for Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. Head to cricut.com/setup to download it. Once the app is open, it walks you through the machine setup process step by step. The Explore 5 connects via Bluetooth, so make sure that's turned on. Power up the machine and follow the prompts. It automatically detects your machine and runs it through a quick test cut to make sure everything's working perfectly. Okay, this is the part I've been excited about. We're making a custom iron-on t-shirt using the iron-on flow in Design Space. This is one of the most popular Cricut projects out there, and the guided flow in Design Space makes it easier than ever if you've never done this before. In Design Space, I'm going to select the iron-on flow. It's going to ask me what I'm making. I'll select t-shirt, and then it guides me to the canvas so I can start designing. Everything is set up with the right canvas size, material settings, everything right from the start. A friend of mine is running a marathon soon, so let's see if I can make a shirt to wear when I go cheer her on. What does Design Space have for marathon? This one actually could be perfect. Since this is a template, I'll just double click on this text so we can personalize it. Now that we like the way that it looks, we'll click Make. And since we're using Smart Iron-On, there's no mat needed. We'll just feed it directly into the machine, shiny side down. There's an important step that Design Space has made even easier. It automatically mirrors your design for Iron-On. This is essential since Iron-On is applied face down, so your design needs to be flipped before cutting. The app handles this for you, which is so helpful, but I always want to call it out so you know what's happening. Back in Design Space, hit Continue, and we'll press to start the cut. Once the cut is done, I'll unload the machine and weed away the excess Iron-On. That's everything that's not part of my design. Go slowly and use your weeder tool, especially around any small details. Look at that clean cut. Every detail came out perfectly. Now for the application, we're going to head to the Cricut Heat Guide to get our exact time and temperature. Now we'll preheat our shirt with your iron or Cricut Easy Press. This just helps remove any moisture and prep the fabric. Then position your design face down on the shirt, so the shiny carrier sheet is on top. And we're ready to press. We'll let it cool for a few seconds, then carefully peel back the carrier sheet. And that is a custom iron-on t-shirt made start to finish with the Cricut Explore 5. How easy was that? The Cricut Explore 5 is everything you want in a smart cutting machine. Compact, modern design, lightning fast cutting, compatible with over 100 materials, and guided flows in Design Space that make the whole process so much more intuitive. Whether you're making t-shirts, decals, wall art, cards, or custom gifts, this machine is built for it all. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see what you make.